How to cancel Xfinity TV but keep internet. So over here is basically just a step-by-step method since it pretty much depends on your options. So the first one is to check your current plan. You can go ahead and confirm whether your internet is bundled. So go to your account in xfinity.com, open billing, and then to current plan. So if TV plus internet is bundled, you can go cancel your TV, which can change your internet price. So what you're gonna do now, once you've confirmed your plan, you're gonna have to contact Xfinity. So which is required, of course. You won't be able to fully remove TV online in most cases, so you're gonna have to contact Xfinity. So the best options will be live chat, phoning them, which is 1-800-XFINITY, or just go to an Xfinity store directly. For me, this would be much better since you're talking to them directly. So you're gonna have to clarify that you want to cancel your Xfinity TV service but keep the internet active. So be specific with what you want. So choose an internet only plan. So once the TV is removed, Xfinity will move you to an internet only plan, offer available speed tiers and prices. So ask for promotional pricing, loyalty or retention offers, and no contract options. Then just confirm the new monthly price before agreeing. Ask these things to the service. Make sure the TV charges are fully removed as well. Then you're gonna have to return the TV equipment. So the cable boxes, TV remotes, TV power cords, and pretty much everything related to the Xfinity TV. So how to return is via the Xfinity store or a UPS store, apparently. Keep the receipt to avoid unreturned equipment fees as well. So what you're gonna do now is check your next bill. Your next bill may include a partial TV charge, a prorated adjustment. So review it carefully in billing and statements. But that's pretty much how you get rid or cancel your Xfinity TV while keeping your internet. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.